I've been dreaming about you.
Hi and welcome back. Today I'm decluttering and organizing this messy garage, and I'm sharing it with you because I want to make sure you're starting this new year with all the cleaning motivation you need to tackle anything you might have on your to-do list this week. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jenny and I'm a mom of 3. On my channel, you'll find content very similar to other cleaning channels, lots of cleaning motivation, organizing, decorating, productive routines. But you'll also notice that my channel has an anxiety management focus to it as well. And as a mom who's dealt with multiple mental health issues for the past 20 years, I just have a passion for helping women create clean and calm environments for themselves and their families through my channel, and that's my continued hope, and that is the why behind my channel. So thank you so much for taking the time to come and visit me today, and I'm so glad you're here, and thank you for watching. And this is the shelf that I keep a lot of my backup cleaning supplies on. And so I'm just storing all the supplies as nicely as I can on this shelf. And I'm putting some of the more chemically things on the higher shelves so that my 14-month-old, in case he ever got in here, those items would be on the top shelves. So I'm cleaning off the shelves, I'm cleaning off the different products, and I'm just kind of trying to display them as nicely as I can.
And you're just standing there with your perfect smile. All I do is close my eyes.
And I came across this caddy from when Alex was a baby, and I used to keep his diapers and wipes in here. So I am cleaning it out, and I'm going to reuse it to store these little travel like soaps and Kleenexes and toothbrushes and all the things that we will take with us when traveling, because those items are so small and it's just a nice way to organize them.
So just quit my job, stop wasting time. I'm spending my days with you. It's what you do. It's what you
do. And if you missed the part 1 to this video, have no fear. I'm going to link it at the very end of this video. You will see on my end screen, I will have the part 1 for this garage declutter and organize. And it doesn't matter at all which order you watch the videos in. It's just I did one side of my garage for the part 1, and I'm doing the other side of my garage for the part 2.
It's what you do to me, making my head spin in circles, and how you move with your body's giving me purpose. It's what you do to me, making my head spin in circles, and how you move with your body's giving me purpose. So just quit my job, stop wasting time, spend my day.
And I picked up a 10-pack of these bins at Walmart, and some of the bins I'm going to put like items in and categorize that way, and others I'm going to go ahead and categorize by task. Like the bin that you just saw was my picture hanging bin, so I'm going to put my hammer and my level and tape measure and mechanical pencil, anything I would need to hang a picture or a mirror. And that way, whatever we're about to do, we can just come and grab the bin that goes with that task, or I can send the kids in to get that bin, and that will make life a little bit easier.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. You can ride all the blue.
Today I want to thank Crystal Jackson, Not Just a Mom, Sydney2134, USHO, Carrie Wyatt, Mary Shaw, At Home with the Acunas, Jensen's Vlogs, Stephanie DeJesus, and Eyeshadow Shopper for subscribing. I apologize if I mispronounced any of your names, and I apologize if I missed any names. YouTube doesn't always show me names consistently, but if I did miss anyone, please comment down below and introduce yourself. I love getting to know you guys better in the comments, and I'm thanking you so much today for your support. And like I said in my part 1 video, the first thing I always like to do is just remove all the clutter from the front, because just pulling everything away allows me to see what I'm working with. And I saw this big pile of my 11-year-old son's Nerf guns and all these Nerf bullets, and I thought, okay, I'm gonna start with that because that is making the biggest mess. And so I put them all in a large bin, and then I put the bullets in a smaller bin. And once that was done, I felt so much better because the bigger objects are just not as overwhelming. And so I started pulling them away so that I could see the space better and figure out what I wanted to do next.
You will see me flying high. I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you. And you got me too.
And if any of you guys who watched part 1 are wondering, did I write the blog post? The answer is yes. I did go ahead and write my first blog post on decluttering and the 3 ways that it changes your brain. It actually changes your brain in more ways than that, but I chose 3 to talk about, and it was very educational. So I'm not going to bore you with the details on here. I'm going to let you go read it when the website is live if you're interested. But I just want to let you know that if you are decluttering with me in the month of January and following along with me, you are doing something very good for yourself because it really is beneficial. I designated this bin wreaths and garland because those items are so bulky and I wanted to make sure I had a really big container for them. And I went ahead and threw my hair up real quick because living in South Louisiana means that even in January, sometimes you have really hot and humid days, and my hair was starting to frizz out. So I went ahead and put it up and continued cleaning the bins and just getting them all dusted off on the top. And those items that you see hanging between the shelves of bins are our family's fishing poles. And if you're decluttering right along with me, please let me know in the comments. That makes me so happy to hear, because I know when you start decluttering and start getting your hands on everything and just getting everything put away where it belongs and nice and clean and pared down, you're just gonna feel so good. Okay, it's time to call in reinforcements. I've got my 2 big kids, Nathan's 11, Noelle's 14, and they're gonna help me sort through these items. Some of them are gonna go to the donation site, some of them are going to consignment, and some are trash, and then others are going back in the house. And I wanted to be able to read the labels on these bins very easily, even from a little bit far away. And so I got the biggest labels that I could find at Hobby Lobby and just started labeling them.
'Cause honestly, I don't have no time to waste. I'm trying to come back to you because now I see we were meant to be.
And now we finally can get to the fun part.
But just tell me where and I'll come see ya. 'Cause I'm afraid that I'll end up here alone. Hope you'll understand how much I need ya. Take me back to when we were kids and didn't care if we were acting stupid, 'cause all we had was us. If I close my eyes and think about us.
Let me know in the comments, what are you decluttering right now for the month of January, or what do you plan on decluttering? Or do you have other deep cleaning projects to do? What's on your to-do list? I want to know so I can help motivate you and get excited with you. And if you're not subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button before you leave. I would be so honored for you to join my YouTube family. And you can also follow me on Instagram if you're interested. I'm at JennyForYourThoughts_. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I hope to see you on the next video. Bye.